DC Circuits, Unit 10, Physics Class 11. Question 1. Kirchhoff's law are useful in determining answer current flowing in circuits. Question 2. Resistance of a superconductor is answer 0. Question 3. Reciprocal of resistance is called answer conductance. Question 4. The graphical representation of Ohm law is answer straight line. Question 5. The potential difference is double than the different velocity of free electrons will answer be doubled. Question 6. Internal resistance is the resistance offered by answer source of EMF. Question 7. Power dissipation in a resistor can be calculated using which formula? Answer P is equal to V square per R. Question 8. What is a potentiometer primarily used for? Answer measuring potential difference voltage. Question 9. Heat sensitive device whose resistivity change with the change in temperature is called answer thermistor. Question 10. Where of uniform area of cross section length and resistance is cut into parts, the resistivity of each part answer remains same. Question 11. What does DC stands for? Answer direct current. Question 12. The unit of electrical resistance is answer ohm. Question 13. What is the SI unit of current? Answer ampere. Question 14. In a parallel current to the total resistance is answer smaller than the smallest resistor. Question 15. Which material is good conductor of electricity? Answer copper. Question 16. The functions of a fuse is to answer prevent overloading. Question 17. What type of energy does a battery store? Answer chemical. Question 18. In a series circuit current answer is the same across all compounds. Question 19. What is the voltage across two resistors carrying 5A current? Answer 10 volt. Question 20. Kirchhoff voltage law states that answer the same of voltage in a loop is 0. Question 21. Advise that measures current is answer ammeter. Question 22. What is the main disadvantage of a series circuit? Answer if one compound fails, the circuit stops working. Question 23. Which compound stores change? Answer capacitor. Question 24. What is the reciprocal of resistance called? Answer conductance. Question 25. If the voltage is doubled, what happens to the power? Answer it quadruples. Question 26. What is the role of resistor in a circuit? Answer reduce current. Question 27. What happens if you contact a resistor cross a short current? Answer resistors burns. Question 28. Short voltage bulb consumes how much energy in 2 hours? Answer 120 volt hours. Question 29. A 9V battery power a circuit with resistance. What is the current answer? Question 30. The power rating of a device is defined as answer energy consumed per second.